Hi, this is Lana, Sisley esthetician from Holter for Calgary. Today I'm going to show you how you can treat your skin at home when you cannot see me. So, after washing your skin, please use your bathing cream. After removing bathing cream with warm water and drying your skin with the towel, please use our mask with Linden Blossom. Linden Blossom mask is suitable for absolutely every skin type. I encourage you to apply it in a very thick layer, so you should not be able to see your skin. So when you apply it, approximately this thick, leave it for about 20 minutes and do apply it around your eye area. It's absolutely safe to be used there. Leave it for 20 minutes, and after, I encourage you to give yourself a massage. Whichever you can do, you can use my massage from Bath and Wash, doesn't matter. Focus on your dry patches and blackheads, any blemishes, and also on large pores. That works amazingly well. When you take this mask off, you will be surprised how your skin looks after. So you remove it thoroughly with warm water. I use a towel, and right after you can use your bath and wash. It's going to rebuff your skin again. After that, of course, on a dry skin, apply your eye mask. Eye mask is a mask which loves massaging. So you can do a little massage, especially under your eye and above, actually, on orbicular area. Very lightly. Why I want you to do lightly? Because I want you to drain your eye area, drain your lymph. When you apply this mask, which is my absolute favorite. It's Hydra Flash. It's going to rehydrate your skin very, very deeply. Usually hydration lasts after this mask for at least 5 days, even in our climate. Believe me, I tried. So when you're done with all of it, go surprise your loved ones.